Whether you're dreaming big or seeking immediate change, understanding the art of visualization is your next empowering step. This video is for you. Please watch this video till the end to gain the power to visualize. So, why do some people seem to achieve their dreams, while others struggle to progress effortlessly? The power of visualization can lead to immediate shifts in your life, turning your aspirations into reality. But how exactly does this work? Let's explore the transformative potential of visualization and discover how it can empower you to become the architect of your destiny. Visualizing correctly is a deep and transformative practice that can immediately change our lives. This process taps into the extraordinary power of the human mind, which is complicatedly connected to our emotions and actions. When we visualize, we create mind images of our desired outcomes or goals. These mental images are not mere daydreams. They are a mental rehearsal that primes our subconscious mind to align our thoughts, actions, and energies with our aspirations. It's like preparing for a journey by first picturing the destination in vivid detail. By doing so, we set a clear intention and direction for ourselves. The magic happens when our visualizations are not just passive imaginings, but are infused with strong emotions and a sense of belief. Emotions are a driving force behind our actions and decisions. When we visualize correctly with intense, positive emotions, we send a powerful signal to our subconscious, which, in turn, influences our conscious choices and behaviors. This alignment of our internal world with our external goals creates a harmonious resonance with the universe, making it more likely for our desires to manifest in our reality. It's as if we're telling the universe, "This is what I want, and I truly believe it's possible." In response, the universe conspires to bring about the circumstances and opportunities that help us realize our dreams. Hermetic teachings, with roots dating back to 3000–5000 BC, hold a timeless wisdom that continues to influence modern personal development concepts. At the core of these teachings lies the profound idea of "as within, so without." This ancient wisdom suggests that the external world reflects our internal thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. To grasp the significance of this concept, let's explore its implications. Your mind is a powerful projector, and the world around you is the screen upon which your thoughts and emotions are cast. Just as a projector's contents shape the images on the screen, your innermost beliefs and feelings shape the reality you experience. This means that the circumstances, people, and opportunities that come into your life significantly result from your thoughts and emotions. If you consistently believe that you only deserve your current salary and living situation, that belief becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. Your thoughts and emotions align with this belief, turning you into a specific frequency on the reality channel that matches your expectations. Consequently, you attract and create experiences that validate this belief, reinforcing the status quo. However, the power of the "as within, so without" principle lies in its capacity for transformation. By consciously redirecting your thoughts and emotions, you can shift the frequency to a different channel that aligns with your desired reality. This means you should recognize the present and acknowledge current challenges. Instead, it means acknowledging your current situation while actively envisioning and feeling the reality you want to create. By consistently doing this, you initiate a process of change that can lead to profound shifts in your life. The ancient wisdom underscores the importance of our internal world in shaping our external reality. It's a reminder that our beliefs, thoughts, and emotions are potent forces that not only influence our perception of the world, but also have the power to mold the world itself. Embracing this principle can empower us to take charge of our lives as we consciously use our thoughts and emotions to co-create our desired reality. Think of your emotions as powerful drivers of your behavior. When you feel a particular emotion, it often prompts you to take specific actions. For example, if you feel motivated and excited about a project, you're likelier to work diligently and enthusiastically toward completion. Conversely, you might need more time to approach the task if you feel anxious or fearful. Now, consider how these actions, driven by your emotions, can impact your external reality. When you engage in tasks with a positive and focused mindset, you tend to produce better results and attract more favorable outcomes. Conversely, the results often reflect that mindset when you approach tasks with negativity or a lack of enthusiasm. It's akin to a self-fulfilling prophecy. Your actions create the outcomes that align with your emotional state. Our internal world, our emotions, beliefs, and thoughts, deeply impacts how we engage with the external world. It's not just about what we do, but also how we do it. For instance, if you embark on a task to positively impact others, your approach will naturally be different than if you were merely trying to complete the task for the sake of it. This internal shift in intention can lead to more meaningful and successful outcomes. The key takeaway is that our feelings and thoughts are not passive elements of our inner world. They are active agents, shaping our actions and, consequently, our reality. By recognizing this connection and consciously directing our emotions and thoughts toward positive and purposeful actions, we can guide our lives more effectively and achieve the desired outcomes. It's a reminder that true success isn't just about doing the right things, but also doing them with the right mindset and intention. Consider goal visualization. This is about imagining the life you want to lead, not just in vague terms, but with crystal clear specificity. Think of it as crafting a mental movie of your future, with you as the protagonist achieving your dreams. Successful entrepreneurs and high achievers often excel at this. They focus firmly on their future aspirations, refusing to dwell on past setbacks or challenges. The key insight here is that the present quickly becomes the past, so facing obstacles and difficulties is daily. However, successful individuals understand that these setbacks are temporary and don't define their journey. Instead, they persistently visualize their goals, programming their minds to recognize and seize opportunities to propel them toward their desired outcomes. However, effective goal visualization continues beyond daydreaming. It involves immersing yourself in the emotional experience of achieving those goals. Picture the end result and the steps you'll take to get there. Feel the exhilaration of success, the sense of accomplishment, and the joy of reaching your milestones. This isn't just wishful thinking. It's a powerful motivational tool. When you regularly visualize your goals with intensity and positive emotions, you condition your mind to be proactive and spot opportunities that align with your aspirations. You're programming your subconscious to work tirelessly behind the scenes to turn your dreams into reality. Surrounding yourself with affirmations and positive thoughts about your goals is like nourishing the soil for your dreams to grow. Doubt and negativity can be significant barriers to success. By maintaining a positive mindset, you're effectively paving the way for your vision to become a reality. Imagine your mind as fertile ground, where your goals can take root and flourish. This positive reinforcement serves as a constant reminder of your potential and capabilities. It boosts your self-confidence and self-belief, which are essential drivers for success. Additionally, breaking your goals into smaller, manageable tasks is a practical strategy to simplify the process. Big goals can be overwhelming, but they become more achievable when you divide them into smaller, actionable steps. This approach makes your journey less intimidating and provides you with a series of small victories along the way. These victories motivate you and reinforce the belief that you're progressing. So, instead of being overwhelmed by the enormity of your goals, you can focus on completing one task at a time, steadily advancing toward your ultimate destination. Effective visualization isn't just about fantasizing about your dreams. It's about making a detailed mental image of your goals, infusing it with positive emotions, and regularly reinforcing your belief in their attainability. Moreover, it's about breaking down your aspirations into manageable steps simplifying the process and keeping you motivated with each small victory. This approach isn't reserved for a select few. It's a strong tool anyone can use to chart their course towards success and transform their vision into reality. Becoming your ideal self isn't just about achieving external goals. It's about undergoing a profound inner transformation. Think of it as sculpting yourself into the person you aspire to be. This transformation involves acquiring new skills, achieving specific goals, and adopting a mindset that aligns with your vision. It's like crafting a character in your life story, the character you want to play and ultimately become. This transformation unfolds in several stages. First, you define the traits and abilities that your ideal self possesses. These include confidence, problem-solving skills, effective time management, and an unmatched ability to connect with others. Visualizing this ideal version of yourself vividly sets the stage for your personal development journey. It's like having a clear blueprint that guides your actions and decisions. You ask yourself, what would my ideal self do in this situation? These questions spark introspection, helping you understand your aspirations and challenges more deeply. Next, you identify 5 habits or routines your ideal self follows daily. These habits reflect the values and priorities of the person you aspire to be. For instance, if your ideal self values health and discipline, they might have a daily exercise routine and a habit of eating nutritious meals. If they value self-respect and attention to detail, they might pay careful attention to their appearance and attire. Incorporating these habits into your life gradually transforms you as you start living in alignment with your ideal self. It's like stepping into the shoes of the person you want to become day by day. The process doesn't stop at adopting new habits. It extends to embodying the spirit of your ideal self in every action you take. It's about how you tackle tasks, not just what you do. Imagine each action as an opportunity to ask, how would my ideal self approach this? This mindset shift is transformative. Even if you begin with a degree of doubt or resistance, the consistent accumulation of changes eventually leads to a noticeable shift in your reality. Your actions, thoughts, and decisions start to reflect the character you aspire to be. As you persist, this doesn't happen overnight, but you'll experience a growing sense of alignment between your inner vision and your external reality. You start a deep inner journey by defining your ideal self, adopting key habits, and embodying the spirit of your aspirations. This journey isn't about finding all the answers, but exploring the depths of your aspirations and challenges. It's a process of self-discovery and growth that allows you to gradually transform into the character you want to play in your life story. Ultimately, it's an empowering approach that can help you reach your goals and become the finest version of yourself. The practice of visualization holds the key to unlocking your highest potential and creating the life you desire. So why wait? Start harnessing the power of your thoughts today and begin your trip towards a brighter future. Take that first step toward manifesting your dreams by visualizing them with intention and conviction. Your destiny is in your hands.